Okay, so I just want to go through these questions so that we don't have to take a huge amount of class time to do it. So this is the one from Thursday. I also kind of want you to have one of these on video just for studying. So they give us the first 5 terms of the sequence and they basically want us to find Tn. So it's finding the nth term, and up here it tells us a couple of times that it's quadratic. So the nth term of a quadratic sequence. Okay, so the first thing we do is we take the sequence. I'm just going to rewrite it so I've got more space. And we find the first difference. So this is 4. Sorry. This is 7. This is 10. And this is 13. So it's not linear. But if we look at the second difference, we can see that it is quadratic, which we knew anyway because we were told. And that the second difference is 3. Okay, so first thing we need to do is we need to find A. And to find A, we let 2A equal the second difference. Okay, so 2A equals 3. So then to isolate the A, we divide by 2. So A is 3 over 2. Okay, so then we're going to find B and C. Okay, we split the page in half here. And we use the first term, which is n equal to 1. And when n equals 1, you can see it here, Tn is 12. And then on this side, we're going to do the second term. And the value of the second term is here. It is 16. Right. So we take our Tn equals an squared plus bn plus c. And we sub in the stuff that we know. So we know on the left-hand side here, we know that Tn is 12. Up here, we already figured out that A was 3 over 2. Here, we're letting n equal 1. We don't know B, n is 1, and we don't know C. So we tidy this up and we get 12 equals 3 over 2 plus B plus C. And because of that fraction, I would multiply across by 2. So that would give me 24 equals 3 plus 2b plus 2c. And then you want to keep the letters on one side and the numbers on the other side. So I'm going to minus the 3. So I get 21 equals 2b plus 2c. Other side, again, we're going to sub in what we know. So starting on the left here with Tn. And Tn for us is 16. A is still 3 over 2. This time n here is 2 squared. We don't know B, n is 2, and C. 16 equals. Okay, so I'm doing 2 squared, first of all. And then I'm multiplying that by 3 over 2. Okay, I just did that on my calculator. And I got 6 plus 2b plus c. So the fraction kind of dealt with itself there, which is handy. So I minus the 6. And I get 10 equals 2b plus c. Okay, so now I'm going to use those two over here. And I'm going to solve the simultaneous equation. Equals 21. And 2b plus c equals 10. So I'm going to cancel these. And the way I do that is by making one of them a minus. Okay, can't just make one of them a minus, so I'm going to make the bottom one minus, which means I have to multiply the entire bottom line by minus 1. So the top line remains unchanged, 2b plus 2c equals 21, and the bottom line, everything becomes a minus. So minus 2b minus c equals minus 10. Okay, now they cancel because I've got plus 2b and minus 2b, which is 0. 2c minus c is just c, and this is 11. And then I'm going to take the top line down here. So 2b plus 2c equals 21. 2b plus 2, I know c is 11, equals 21. 2b plus 22 equals 21. If I minus the 22 here and minus the 22 here, I get 2b equals minus 1. And then if I divide by 2 on both sides, I get b equals minus a half. So then my final Tn is a, which was 3 over 2, n squared, plus, oh, it's not plus, sorry. So b is minus, so minus a half n. And then what was c? C was 11. So that's what I'm getting for my finished nth.